Alright, this was inspired by the two sash videos that I did. Hoping that's what I call them when they're actually published. It's the diagonal stripe thing in the center. Anyway, no, it doesn't really look like it, but that's where this inspiration came from. So it's a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes, spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. And the shirt is inside out since it is being ice dyed, and I've marked the center of the shirt. So I'm going to go ahead and do the usual flip here. There's a whole video just on this flip, why this flip is done. But the primary is to keep the spotting as little as possible since it's being ice dyed. And the second is to make sure that the color is maintained, or the saturation is maintained on the front and back the same versus the left and right. Fold this in half again. You probably heard that thunderstorm currently if you heard the thunder. Alright. What I'm going to do, start here, go something like roughly. We'll see how far I get, because this is an awfully thick fold to do. I'm making these about 3/4 of an inch. I don't think I'm going to be able to do all of that, but I'm going to go as far as I can. And let's see, I might be able to get one more. Yeah, we'll stop there. So I want to make sure this stays roughly like that. Actually, just going to go ahead and fold this in. We'll see what happens. This is purely one of those what if designs. Alright, so this, I was going to try and scrunch this side, but I'm not sure that's going to, or, you know what, I will. Alright, I'm going to take this side, I'm going to do whatever. On this side, I'm just going to alright, just going to put bands on this. And here we have it. Yeah, that's weird. We'll see what happens. Off to die. Alright, for this I am using Timberwolf, shiitake mushroom, charcoal gray, and a liquid made up of, well, focus, robin's egg blue. And these are all from Dharma. Alright, go ahead and let that melt through. Might have to do it a second time, not really sure, and we'll go from there. So we're, 10 hours or so in from when I last did something with this. I think I'm just going to leave it. It's slowly soaking up into it. I think I'm going to go with this, because it gives a slightly different look than, the more solid look. So I'm going with it. Let it sit for another 12 hours or so, and then we'll do the washout. Alright, it's been 24 hours or so. I'm going to go ahead and start this washout. Alrighty. There's the preview. Go throw this in the wash, and we'll take a final look. Here's the front. Here's the back. My thoughts. Not what I envisioned, but I envisioned being able to arc this further up. I probably could have if I would have put forth some more effort and tried, but yeah. The blue on the outer edge looks good. I'm happy with that choice as far as letting it just sit there and absorb through instead of adding extra dye to force it to cover more fully. Actually, I think that's very cloud-like. It's really, really good. The overall, I mean, it's definitely different. Ignoring this bit, and you just have this around here, this looks cool. It's like little, almost flames, or those flame light bulbs. If you're younger, you probably have no idea what I'm talking about, but it's like two metal strips, and they arc in between them and kind of flicker like it's a flame. It's really just a light bulb. Anyway, looks very much like that. I like that. That's cool on here. But enough about my thoughts. What do you think? Should I try something like this again? If so, let me know down below what you think I should do. Maybe come in and accordion from a different part of it, or go further. I don't know. Let me know down below, and until next time, thanks for watching.